Are you curious about the power of large NGOs? These organizations are changing lives globally. They tackle humanitarian crises, support human rights, and push for sustainable development. In 2025, large NGOs are proving essential, influencing public policy, and driving awareness on vital issues. So, what exactly defines a large NGO? It combines extensive operations, impressive funding, and a significant workforce. They operate in numerous countries and have annual budgets reaching billions. This is what separates them from smaller NGOs. Understanding their importance in 2025 reveals why they matter. The climate crisis and humanitarian emergencies call for large-scale actions. These NGOs bridge gaps between citizens and governments. By addressing pressing global issues, they ensure effective humanitarian aid and foster systemic change. Let's take a snapshot of the largest NGOs worldwide. These organizations employ over 1 million workers and manage combined revenues exceeding $50 billion. Their outreach covers areas like child welfare, refugee support, climate action, and more. These NGOs not only provide services but also actively set agendas in international forums. For donors, professionals, and researchers, grasping the operations of large NGOs is vital. Donors seek transparency for their contributions. Job seekers explore meaningful careers. Researchers analyze trends and challenges. Professionals benefit from understanding best practices in financial management and accountability. So, who are the top NGOs in 2025? World Vision International stands out, focusing on child welfare and health. Mercy Corps provides critical support during humanitarian crises. Oxfam counters poverty and inequality while BRAC emphasizes women's empowerment. The International Rescue Committee serves displaced individuals, and Save the Children champions children's rights. Amnesty International advocates for human rights, and CARE International focuses on poverty reduction. Each of these NGOs plays a unique role and showcases varying missions. They operate in countless countries, tackling pressing issues through dedicated programs and services. Through their efforts, they create measurable outcomes in education, healthcare, and human rights. But how do we measure their impact? Evaluating large NGOs is about more than budgets. Consider workforce size, funding diversity, geographic reach, and social outcomes. A large NGO's workforce often includes thousands of employees and volunteers. For instance, BRAC employs over 100,000, while World Vision has around 35,000. Funding comes from diverse sources such as government grants, private donations, and social enterprises. The breadth of their geographic reach allows them to mobilize during crises while maintaining long-term initiatives. Measurable outcomes are equally important. Reported figures show millions educated, refugees supported, and more lives improved daily. The UK is home to many significant NGOs, like Oxfam UK and Save the Children UK. These organizations lead humanitarian efforts, advocate for children, and influence vital policies. Their strengths lie in advocacy, campaigning, and innovations in collaboration. Looking forward, trends shaping the NGO sector in 2025 include a focus on sustainability, funding diversification, and technology integration. NGOs are expected to align their operations with sustainable practices. They seek alternative funding models, reducing reliance on government grants. Technology improves efficiency, enabling better accountability and transparency. As public trust is paramount, transparency remains a priority for NGOs. Organizations must demonstrate measurable donations and outcomes to maintain support. Ultimately, the landscape of large NGOs in 2025 shows immense responsibility and influence. From World Vision to BRAC, these institutions are redefining global humanitarian efforts. They advocate for positive change while addressing the world's most critical issues. Now, realizing the importance of large NGOs is key to fostering sustainable development. By understanding their operations and contributions, we can support their impactful work. Engage with these NGOs by donating, volunteering, or simply raising awareness. Each action contributes to the ongoing fight for equality and humanitarian support. Let's work together to make a difference.